Okay, and here we have the Sniffles oil. The Sniffles oils is something that I've had for a very long time, and I've decided to share with everybody. I think a lot of people have this symptom, nasal decongestion, stuffy and runny nose, and sometimes you just sneeze. When you sneeze, you're unable to stop, and then the nose is always like watery. So all these discomfort are actually symptoms of other health problems, such as sinus, for example. And Tanamera Sniffles oil, this is actually a very complex formulation. There are 11 essential oils inside here, and it's practically unheard of. When my aromatherapist told me that she made me an oil blend with 11 oils, I was like, what? Banyaknya minyak. But it has proven to be a lifesaver. And this is basically these oils, when you apply it, it can immediately ease coughing, cold symptoms, nose and chest congestion, and uncontrollable sneezing. Sometimes when you sneeze, you just cannot stop. So you apply this, it will help you to reduce the amount of sneezing. Long-term use, not only short-term. Short-term effects are mostly immediate, but long-term effect is it will reduce the severity and also the occurrences of the symptoms. There are people, orang yang tiap hari bangun pagi je macam cold punya symptom, and then like they be sniffling all the time. And so I used to be like that. Every morning bangun macam like headache, and then like sniffling, because I'm allergic to cat fur. But after let's say years of using this, I don't have these symptoms anymore. Once in a while it will trigger, but I always have my oils with me. So inside this essential oil roll-on, we have 11 types of essential oils. We have inside there peppermint, we have wild mint, we have camphor, we have wintergreen, we have pine, then we have eucalyptus, spearmint, oregano, tea tree, rosemary, and the list goes on and on. These oils are all used mainly as a decongestant. It's also antiviral, anti-inflammatory, and it has been used by everybody around the world, for exactly this kind of purpose. And at the end of this video, we're gonna have our model share to you on the best, the optimum way of actually using the essential oil, the Sniffles Roll-on. This can also be used on children, but on children, please remember, do not apply the oil directly to their face area, to their nose. Do not. It's only applicable on their chest, and even then, do not apply the roll-on directly to their skin. It's best if you just apply it on your fingers, and then you rub it on their front and also back chest, the chest area and also their back area. Alright, enjoy the video.